Yeah. Canada Lights. Not completely wasted day then. Anyone in that car? I'll wake you up if you are. If you're dogging. No, good. That's what you call a tunnel. I could play that all day. There you go, Blah. Sort that one out, son. Button Lane, Swanley. Button Lane? Or Button Street, sorry. I'll show you at the end here. Nice little tunnel. That's worthy of a round of applause from RJ, Button Street. See it? Got it? Memorise it, boy. And all you other vloggers, fancy a laugh, get in that tunnel, son, it's beautiful. Make my bike sound lovely. I don't think it's as loud as RJ's, because I've got a baffle in mine. I don't know if he has, but it sounds awesome. Awesome, RJ, absolutely awesome, and I've subbed you for that reason, because I think it's fantastic. And I'm sorry if I talk over mine, but I haven't found a suitable editing suite yet. I can join bits of different videos together. I just have to put the whole thing up or cut it short or whatever. So, until someone lets me know what video suite to use. It's Windows Movie Maker, it's all right up to a point, but I can't seem to find what I want to find on it. I've added extra bits on, a bit of a cut video, then put another bit of a cut video, actually cut the video at the same time, and then add another one to it, and I mean, cut out sections and keep going. I find set start point and set end point, but other than that, sort of doubly gurgly dooch to me. Still, I'm waffling again, and some people get a lot of subscribers from waffling. There we go, right. Tool textable. Oh, hello mate, you just come straight over, don't mind me. Woo, babies! Fucking fast! To get locked up. Won't do my fuel economy any good. Indicate the last moment, donut. Oh well, thanks for watching, and if you want to subscribe, please do. Just don't give me a thumbs down on anything. Won't make my day. Bloody thing stop. Oh yeah.